Hello students of Standard 9. Today you are going to learn a natural region, that is tropical monsoon region. Why is it known as tropical monsoon region? Because it lies in the tropical and subtropical zone and it is affected by the monsoon winds. Let's see the areas where this type of climatic condition is found. If we see the tropical monsoon region in Asia, this is the region that is Southeast Asia, in which India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and southeastern countries lie, which are mainly affected by the monsoon winds. In Australia, the northern and northeastern part of Australia has this type of climatic condition. In Africa, East Africa lies in the tropical monsoon region. In South America, East Brazil lies in this type of region. And in America, Central America lies in the tropical monsoon region. What is the climatic condition in this particular region? Summer is very hot and dry, and the temperature in the coastal area has 27 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. In the interior part, far from the coast, in the northern plain of India, the temperature rises, that is about 35 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius. And in the parts of Rajasthan, the northwestern part of India, which is very far from the coast, the temperature rises and reaches more than 45 degrees Celsius. And in winter season, temperature is not very low in this tropical monsoon region. Temperature ranges between the 15 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius. And this area is being affected mainly by the monsoon winds. What do you mean by the monsoon? The word monsoon is derived from an Arabic word, Monsoon, which means season. Season, which is the reversal of winds. The winds which blow in particular season from particular direction to particular direction. Monsoon is an example of periodic wind which blows from sea to land in summer season and land to sea in winter season. So accordingly, monsoon winds affects the large areas, and all these areas are being affected by the monsoon winds. As India is a subcontinent largely affected by the monsoon winds. According to the monsoon winds, India has 4 types of seasons due to the monsoonal effect. First is hot dry season, second is rainy season, third is retreating monsoon season, and fourth is cool dry season. Let's see all these type of seasons, how they are being affected by the monsoon winds. Hot dry season in India, which affects all over this region, tropical zone, because vertical rays of the sun falls vertically over the Tropic of Cancer, and because of intense heat, there is low pressure system develops over northern part of India, and it is so powerful that from surrounding high pressure area, wind rushes towards this low pressure area. The southeast trade wind, which blows from Australia, when passes across the equator, blows in the northern hemisphere, turns right and blows from southwest because of the Coriolis force, and that is due to the rotation of our earth. So the southwest monsoon winds are divided into 2 branches because of the tapering shape of India. One blows over Arabian Sea, known as Arabian Sea branch. Other branch blows over Bay of Bengal, known as Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon. Arabian Sea branch of monsoon affects the coastal areas. There is heavy rainfall at the coast of Kerala and at the coast of Karnataka and Maharashtra. Rainfall decreases from south to north, and rain bearing wind, after shedding its moisture in the coastal region due to the western Ghat, enters into the interior. It brings less rainfall in the interior because the area lies in the rain shadow region. Tamil Nadu does not receive rainfall because it lies in the rain shadow area. In the northern part, Aravalli range is parallel to the southwest monsoon wind, and therefore there is no rainfall in the western part of Rajasthan, and it reaches to the northern part due to Great Himalayas, brings rainfall in the northern plain, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. Second branch, Bay of Bengal branch, reaches to the northeast part of India, brings heaviest amount of rainfall. Monsoon, which is located in the northeastern part of India, receives heaviest amount of rainfall, more than 1100 centimeter. Annual rainfall occurs here. And then rain bearing winds deflect towards northwest, and rainfall decreases from east to west because of its long journey. And by the time it reaches to the northwestern part of India, the western part of Rajasthan, there is no moisture at all, there is no rainfall. And that is why Thar desert is formed in the western margin of our country. So this is about the hot dry season and southwest monsoon season, that is the rainy season. During hot dry season, all over India, the northern part is badly affected by the hot dry dusty wind, that is Lu. But followed by the southwest monsoon, very heavy rainfall occurs, and that is very important to India for agriculture. Then the retreating monsoon season. Southwest monsoon season lasts for 4 months, in the month of June, July, August and September. And after September, the low pressure system becomes weak as temperature starts to decrease. So due to the low temperature, in the month of October and November, it becomes weaker, and there is no effect of this southwest monsoon in India. So the month of October and November, this is the retreating monsoon season, withdrawal of monsoon winds when there is no rainfall in the central part. Only the coastal parts in the southern part receive rainfall during this October and November. And these months are known for its tropical cyclonic season. Cyclones originate over Bay of Bengal and affects the coastal areas of India. Then comes the cold dry season. Cold or cool dry season in the month of December, January and February. So during this period, there is very low temperature in the northern part of India. This low pressure system in winter is replaced by the high pressure area, and therefore wind blows from this area over Ganga plain, and when it blows, it reaches to the Bay of Bengal and follows the direction of northeast trade winds due to Coriolis force. And with trade winds, it picks moisture from the Bay of Bengal and brings rainfall to the eastern part of India and Sri Lanka. So due to this northeast monsoon, only a small part of India receives rainfall in winter season, and other areas are dry. In the northwestern part of India, there is rainfall, winter rainfall, due to the western disturbance, which is the low pressure system originates over Mediterranean Sea and reaches due to the westerlies in the parts of India and brings rainfall in the northern parts of India. So like this, cool weather season or cool dry season occurs and affects all over India and the southeastern part of Asia. If you see the natural vegetation in these regions, the tropical monsoon regions all over the world, in this area, because of good rainfall and because of high temperature, tropical deciduous trees are found. What do you mean by deciduous trees? The trees shed their leaves once in a particular season. They have broad leaves and they shed their leaves. There are many important trees like teak, sal, sandalwood, bamboo, shisham, jamun, mahua, khair. All these are very important for furniture as well as for timber. So, these areas trees are being utilized due to the pure stand of the trees. The forested areas are not very dense. The trees grow here are pure in stand, and that is why transportation facilities are there and the trees can be utilized there. In these areas, tropical monsoon region, the people, their main occupation is agriculture. A large area comes under agriculture and cultivable areas are being utilized for all various crops, cash crops as well as the food crops. The main method of agriculture is subsistence farming. First, they fulfill their needs and when there is extra that is sold in the market. So, this is the area full of all activities and developed and developing also. So, do remember. Thank you.